the plastic inside your smartphone. Stop before you look at your phone again. I want you to answer one question. What is your smartphone made of? Most people would say glass, metal, silicone chips, battery, but almost nobody says plastic. Here's the shocking truth. The smartphone in your hand contains dozens of different engineering plastics, each designed for a specific purpose. Without these plastics, there would be no iPhone, no Samsung Galaxy, no Google Pixel, no foldable phones, no 5G, and maybe no smartphone at all. Today we're going to tear apart a smartphone and reveal every hidden plastic inside it. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Imagine dropping your phone. It survives. You play games for hours. It gets hot, but it doesn't melt. It gets wet, still works. It connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, NFC, wireless charging. How? The secret isn't just the processor, it's the engineering plastics hiding inside. These aren't the cheap plastics used in disposable products. These are some of the most advanced materials ever developed. Let's open the phone. The outer body. Most people think flagship smartphones are made entirely from glass and aluminum. That's only part of the story. Inside almost every smartphone are structural plastic components. One of the biggest stars is polycarbonate, also called PC. This material is incredibly tough, transparent, heat resistant, and highly impact resistant. That's why manufacturers use polycarbonate for internal frames, camera windows, antenna sections, and in some models, even the back cover. Some companies actually prefer polycarbonate because it survives drops better than glass. A cracked glass back can cost thousands to replace. Polycarbonate often survives with only small scratches. Pretty impressive for something people simply call plastic. The hidden skeleton. Now let's remove the back cover. Inside, you'll find another engineering marvel, PC+ABS. This is probably the most common engineering plastic inside smartphones. Think of it as the superhero combination of plastics. Polycarbonate provides strength, ABS provides easy molding and excellent dimensional stability. Together, they create lightweight internal frames that hold every component in perfect alignment. Every screw boss, every clip, every support, every connector holder starts as tiny plastic pellets, then they are transformed through precision injection molding. The plastic that saves your signal. Here's something most people never realize. If your entire phone were made from metal, your signal would be terrible because metal blocks radio waves. Plastic allows radio waves to pass through. That's why engineers use special plastics around antenna systems. One of the most advanced is liquid crystal polymer, also known as LCP. This amazing material has extremely low signal loss, which makes it perfect for 5G antennas, high-frequency connectors, flexible RF circuits. Every time you stream YouTube, make a phone call, use GPS, or browse the internet, LCP is quietly helping those signals reach your phone. Without it, modern 5G smartphones would struggle to perform. Plastic that survives extreme heat. Now let's move closer to the processor. This area gets incredibly hot. Ordinary plastic would soften, warp, or even fail, so manufacturers use high-performance engineering plastics. One of them is PPS, polyphenylene sulfide. PPS can withstand very high temperatures, it resists chemicals, it's flame retardant, and it keeps its shape even after years of use. In premium smartphones, manufacturers may also use PEEK, one of the world's most advanced engineering plastics. PEEK is incredibly strong, highly wear resistant, chemically stable, and can survive temperatures above 250 degrees Celsius. This isn't just a smartphone material, it's used in aircraft, medical implants, Formula 1, and even aerospace applications. If engineers trust it in space, it's certainly good enough for your smartphone. The plastic you never see. Not every important plastic is visible. Some work silently behind the scenes. Nylon, also called polyamide, is used for tiny clips, cable holders, connectors, and mechanical locking parts because it's tough, flexible, and wear resistant. Then comes silicone. Silicone creates waterproof seals around buttons, speakers, charging ports, camera modules. Without these seals, Even a small amount of water could destroy your phone. Next is PET, used as insulating films, flexible layers, display protection and cable insulation. Finally, epoxy resin, the green motherboard inside your phone, is built on an epoxy-based printed circuit board. Without epoxy, there would be no motherboard, no processor, no smartphone. The future is flexible. Have you ever wondered how foldable phones bend thousands of times without breaking? The answer is another incredible engineering plastic, polyimide, also called PI. Unlike ordinary plastics, polyimide remains flexible even at very high temperatures. It's used in flexible printed circuits, foldable display structures, flexible electronic components. Without polyimide, foldable smartphones would simply not exist. Plastic didn't slow innovation. Plastic made innovation possible. How all these parts are made. Now here's something fascinating. Almost every plastic component inside your smartphone starts exactly the same way, as tiny plastic pellets. These pellets enter an injection molding machine. They're heated until they melt, then injected into ultra-precision steel molds under enormous pressure. Within seconds, a perfectly shaped component is formed. This process repeats millions of times with microscopic precision. Some smartphone parts have tolerances smaller than a human hair. Without precision injection molding, modern smartphones would never be affordable. Amazing facts. Let's finish with some unbelievable facts. A modern smartphone may contain more than 20 different polymer materials. Although metals, glass, and the battery contribute much of the weight, plastics make up a large proportion of the phone's internal components by volume. Many plastic parts weigh less than 1 gram, yet perform critical electrical, mechanical, thermal, and structural functions. Some of these engineering plastics are also used in spacecraft, aircraft, medical devices, and satellites. Every year, scientists develop even stronger and lighter polymers to build the smartphones of tomorrow. So the next time someone says plastic is cheap, show them this video, because inside your smartphone, plastic protects your processor, supports your camera, carries your signal, keeps water out, survives extreme heat, holds every component together, and makes the impossible possible. Plastic isn't just another material, it's one of the greatest engineering inventions behind the modern world. Welcome back to UG Moldtech. If you learned something new today, hit the like button. Subscribe for more videos on engineering plastics, injection molding, manufacturing, and technology. And tell me in the comments, which engineering plastic surprised you the most? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.